I'm Brittany with WTI, and this is Jazzy, and we want to show you this awesome dog water bottle by MalsiPree. As is everything in Jazzy's life, it is pink, but it comes in a variety of different colors. What's great about this is how much water you can actually put in it. So if you're going for a long walk or having a long day of activities, this is a bowl and water bottle all in one. You can have it on your wrist, you can clip it to your bag, and it is so easy to use. All you do, it has a nice feature of a button where you can lock it so that it's not going to press the button on accident and get water all over the place. Then you just unlock it, press the cute little paw button, and then she has a nice little drink that she can have. And when she's done, you can press that button again, tilt it back. It's going to get the water all back in the main reservoir. And then you just click the button again, locks, you can put it back on your wrist and go on your merry way. So if you have a puppy you just love taking with you places, but you want to make sure they are being taken care of, staying hydrated, this is such a great thing to have. It's such an easy thing to fill and go. So we definitely recommend this, and that's our point of view.